In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change grid lines on Wix. If you are working in the standard Wix editor, it's important to know one key limitation right from the start. You cannot directly resize or move the default 980 pixel vertical grid lines. Those built-in grid lines are fixed by Wix to help keep your website responsive and make sure your content displays properly across different browsers and screen sizes. Even though you can't truly change their width, you still have a few useful options. You can hide or reveal them, create your own custom alignment guides, or work beyond them safely using full-width design elements. Let's begin with the simplest option, hiding or showing the default grid lines while you design. Open your website in the Wix editor. Then go to the top navigation bar and click Tools. From there, look for the Grid Lines option. If the box is checked, the grid lines will appear on your canvas. If you uncheck it, they'll disappear. This is helpful if you want a cleaner workspace or if the dotted lines are getting in the way while you are placing elements. If your goal is to create custom boundaries instead of relying on the default ones, you can do that using the Ruler tool. Go back to Tools in the top bar and enable Rulers. Once you turn that on, rulers will appear along the top and right side of your workspace. These give you much more flexibility for visual alignment. To place a custom guide, click anywhere on one of the rulers to drop either a vertical or horizontal line. Then drag that line wherever you want. You can set your own preferred width and use those guides as custom design boundaries. This is especially useful when you want a layout that feels more tailored, while still keeping everything visually organized. Another option is to bypass the default grid lines using full-width strips or columns. This is the safest way to extend your design beyond the centered 980 pixel area without risking important content being cut off on smaller screens. To do this, add a strip section to your page. Select the strip, click the stretch icon and choose full width. That allows the section background to span the entire screen. If you want even more layout control, add columns inside that strip by clicking Manage Columns. This splits the section into multiple parts, and Wix automatically creates new vertical boundaries within each column. These act like additional safe zones across the full width of the page, giving you more freedom to structure your design without breaking responsiveness. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.